Good morning, trading world. Today is April 13th, 2020. Back after a long Easter weekend. Um, Hope everyone was safe, had a good time, as best you could in the conditions that we are in. But trading news or pre market outlook, let's get to it. Starting with the NASDAQ. I will go through the levels again. We are in some sort of a topping process or consolidation where the ranges is tightening and tightening. So that imagine that spring compressing and compressing even more, only to pop and make a violent move one way or the other. And as I've said before, I am placing my chips to the downside of that table. All right, and let's get to the levels. We're going to start with the Jack resistance level, which is 8206. Queen resistance level, I have at 8282. King resistance is 8326. Levels of pertinence in between, I have 8224, which is right around here, 8231, which is right about here, and then 8296, which is right here, and then 8309. And for some reason today, I don't really anticipate us getting above this 8309 or to the king resistance level. It's going to be a hard battle to get to the highs of the king resistance, or I should say above the king resistance today. And let's go to support. We have Jack support at 8161, Queen support at 8126, and King support at 8051. Levels of pertinence in between on the support side is very simple today. I'm only doing two. The first one is 8100, right about there, and the last is 8020, which is all the way down here. 8020. So those are the levels of pertinence. Also, I got a question as far as why I only do 6 levels of resistance, and a big portion of that has to do with the strategy that I use and how I look at trading and money management. Um, the reason I only do, if you notice, it's 3 levels to the resistance side, 3 levels to the support side. And the way that I look at trading and money management, I kind of look at it as if I am a sniper. And I'm a sniper, and I only have 3 bullets to use to get the job done. So, being that I only have 3 bullets to use, you want to make those 3 shots the best 3 shots that you see. So, this is the reason why I only have 3 levels to the resistance side, 3 levels to the support side. Because normally, when it comes to futures, I usually only trade futures in between during the morning hours from 9:30 till about 11, maybe 11:30. So if I can't line up those 3 shots in between then it's done. But more than likely, the market will give you a chance to line up those shots in between then. And on the flip side of that, the reason that I do it this way is that there are days, if you trade long enough, you will see greed begin to creep into your mix. And so, as a way to kind of keep that out and to not overtrade, because I have personally had days where you come in the morning and everything you do is gold. And those are the days where you may make uh, $2,000 or $3,000 in the morning. Uh, every trade hits. But for every one day like that, there are 2 days where everything is off. And you can lose just as much, if not more, than that $2,000 or $3,000 that you made on that day where you couldn't miss. So, as to protect the integrity of my account and not to overtrade or not to overdo those bad days, you give yourself just 3 shots. If you make a positive in those 3 shots, good, you're done for the day. If those 3 shots are negative, good, you're done for the day. No more losing. So that's pretty much the reasoning behind the 3 levels of resistance, 3 levels of support. Because some days I know that the bigger move may be to the downside, but we start off in the morning chugging along from the lows, and it may take to the evening hours to get to those resistance levels where I feel comfortable. So this way I still get to take a shot, however, on the support side, even though I feel that the longer or more profitable trade is going to be to the downside. But if we don't get it within the time frame that I'm trading, um, I feel like it gives me access to try to take some shot, a capability of making some type of money. So that's the logic for the king, queen, and jack levels. Um, we'll take a look at the ES or overall markets, which is telling me we still have a little bit of pop to the upside, which means basically we're going to ping between levels up here between this 2700 and we'll say 2820 level. We're going to ping, let's broaden that out, between this 82654 and 2820 level. This is going to be um, our volatility box until we break. So let's go to a smaller time frame here. Yeah, so that we can kind of see it. Today we're going to have a nice little pop to the upside. Not sure, we should probably get to this 2811. Not sure if we're going to make it to the 2820 up here, but we should definitely make it to this 2811, so that if you haven't gotten on your shorts it is giving us another day to again get your shorts on. If you're not hedged or prepared for another bout of volatility or selling, this is the time to get your hedge, your portfolio insurance on to make sure that you can withstand the next bout of sell side activity that may come. Um, Again, be prepared. No one knows whether anything is 100% sure, but it's about being prepared for at least two different scenarios where that you can profit from one or withstand the opposite or other scenario that may come about. So that's pretty much how I look at trading. So just telling you to be careful, um, giving you those options to prepare, and wishing everyone a profitable trading day. That is my pre-market outlook for today. So again, good luck and wishing you profitable trading. Have a great day.